everybody, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you connect your smartphone and show in your laptop. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to my laptop screen and there I will search for settings and then you will go on. You can see here system and click here system, and then you can see here projecting to this PC. We will click here. After here we will select here always available everywhere. Select this and then we will select this first time only. Ask to project to this PC. We will click first time only and then we will shift into our mobile setting. So here we are in our mobile and we will download one application, screen mirroring. So after that downloaded this, we can see this interface and this 5-second ad will come first, so we will skip this ad. After that we can see our here computer name and we will tap that computer name and it's showing connecting, and it takes some second, 10 seconds almost. So after it's connecting, you can see in your laptop or desktop this screen will screening in our laptop. So I'm going to show the laptop screen. So here it is. Here you can see and it's connected and it will show like this. My mobile is Redmi and it's showing connected, and now it's screen mirroring in our laptop. So in this way you can connect your screen and show into your laptop or desktop. And for that one thing is most important, that this both will be connected in one Wi-Fi or network. So this much for today. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep supporting me, and hopefully new videos will come soon. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.